Hello and welcome to the timestamps video. Now timestamps might seem like a smaller feature or a more minor feature of Papyrus, but it's one that I use all the time. I love it because it shows you when your document was last edited and by whom. So with that said, let's jump straight in. Okay, so I'm in my current work in progress, which I've been working on for roughly 6 or 7 months. So it's a good one for demonstrating timestamps. Now to turn the timestamps on, come over to the View menu and come down to Show Timestamps. Now what you'll see all of these icons here. These can all be added to your toolbar, which I'm going to show you how to do in another video. But for now, I'm going to turn on timestamps. Now straight away you can see these added timestamps down the side of my document. Now if I hover over any one of these timestamps, it will give you the initials of the last author who edited a specific area of your document. In my case, it's only ever going to show BTB because I'm the only person who works on my document. But if you had multiple authors, it would show you their initials. And if you notice, it also shows you the exact time. So for instance, if I was to alter this, it instantly changes that timestamp. So when I go back to it, it will show you that it was done by BB, which is me, because I've slightly changed the setup in Papyrus Author, and it shows you today at 10:37. And as I go through, it will show you the timestamps of exactly when a specific area was worked on. And if I come right down to my last scene, you can see that I worked on it on Sunday. Again, BB. Last worked on this particular area on Sunday at 9:32 a.m. I love this feature and I leave it turned on all the time. And there's a good reason to that. So you can see here, everything's 9 days, 9 days, 9 days. If I was scrolling through and I suddenly saw that 9 days, 9 days, 9 days just now, it would make me realise that something there had changed. And if I hadn't changed it, or I hadn't changed it on purpose, I could then go in and review. So having these timestamps also enable, I'll have to blur that word out, lets you check the continuity of when you last worked on your book. Okay, so that was the timestamp video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, catch you later.